guys, the God Love You Tour is happening soon. So make sure that you book in on the coach. Now, it's completely free to come on, but that means that it's cost someone else for you to have that space. So we want to make sure that none of those spaces are wasted and that we get as many non-Christians on there as well. So if you are going to book the coach, just make sure you turn up. We don't want any wasted seats, okay guys? So we really look forward to having you there to join us for the God Loves You Tour. Guys, this month has 5 Wednesdays, which means the 5th Wednesday is going to be a leadership development night, and we are going to have Tracy McAtee from Trinity Church in Birmingham joining us for that evening to train us up, to develop us as leaders here at Exile Church and in our community. So if you're a leader in any capacity here, we'd love to have you join us for this special evening where we get trained up and developed together in community. So we'll see you there.
You and I know the truth, but no, we never do.
Do you know someone who is interested in the Christian faith? Or are you yourself interested in the Christian faith and kind of want to explore what it all means to have a relationship with God? Well, we're going to be running an Alpha course from the 13th of June, and we'd love to have you or your friend a part of this course and cohort of people. It's a great space to get together with other people that are also interested in exploring a bit more of Christianity, to explore it together in community. There's big questions of life and faith that you get to explore. So if you're interested in that, then have a look online for more details, and why not sign up to let us know you want to come along, or let your friend know about it and come and talk to one of the team. Friends, June is a really busy month on Sundays with different services and events going on, so I'm going to run you down it all. Listen up. On the 2nd of June, we have got our Strength Will Rise weekend away. So we're going to be in Cefn in Wales, enjoying ourselves together as church family, which means that here at Exile Church in Bilston, there'll be no services. So make a note of that, no services on the 2nd of June. Now, next week after that is the 9th of June, and this is where we're going to have Watoto's Children Choir joining us for both services. So we've got the morning service at 11 a.m. and the evening service is changed to 5 p.m. to accommodate for children and families with smaller children. So you need to make sure you have a ticket for either of those services. It's free to come, but you have to have a ticket. So sign up so that we can manage numbers so that everyone gets to see Watoto's Children's Choir. It's going to be a great Sunday for sure. Now, fast forward to the 16th of June, we've got the Father's Day service. So it's just a little reminder for you all to get your parents a gift, or your dad's a gift, or your carer, or whoever, and make sure you come along for that special Sunday service. And after that, on the 23rd of June,
30th,
we're going to be having Hope in the Park, which means it's our annual outreach event here in the community with other churches in Bilston, which means that there's no services here at church, okay? So make a note of that. There's no services on that date as well.
that's the 30th of June.
So you can get all this information on our website and keep up to date with it on social media as well. And you'll be fine, and we'll enjoy the month of June, and it won't be as busy as we think. So that's everything for the month of June.